We are the Bachelor of Science, Prince Agricultural, and I'm Michelle Sigino. I'm Gato Narano. And I am Judy C. Francisco, and we will discuss A Dying Bride, A Legacy of Bravery.
Action. On June 12, 1898, the Philippines declared independence from Spanish rule. The event was led by General Emilio Aguinaldo. Held at his home in Cavite.
So it was just about a document. It was about hope, bravery, and unity. For the first time, our own flag was raised, and our national anthem was played. This day became a symbol of our love for our country and our dream to live free. Today, we celebrate this moment every year as Philippine Independence Day, a reminder of strength and courage of our people.
Background. Spanish ruled the Philippines for over 300 years. Filipino revolutionary fought for freedom. After many battles, Aguinaldo returned from sale and led the independence movement.
Most of these Filipinos started to fight back. Brave leaders like Jose Rizal, Andres Bonifacio, and later Emilio Aguinaldo worked hard to fight for our rights. They believed that we deserved to be a free and independent, to have our own government, our own land, and our own identity as a Filipinos. So when the moment finally came in 1898 to declare our independence, it was just a ceremony. It was the result of struggle, sacrifice, and courage of our heroes and ancestors.
The Declaration of the Day. Date June 12, 1898. Place Aguinaldo's house in Cavite. Document read Act of the Philippines Independence. Leader Ambrosio Rianzal Bautista.
So in June 12, 1898, the most important moment having our independence was finally declared. It took place at the balcony of General Emilio Rinaldo's house in Cavite. A lawyer named Ambrosio Rianzares Bautista stood in front of everyone and read the act of the Declaration of Philippine Independence. This was a written statement saying that Philippines is not a free, is now a free and independent country. For the people who were there, it was a powerful moment. After so many years of being under Spanish rule, this was the day they could finally say, "We are Filipinos, we are free."
Day Sebo Introduction. Philippines flag first raised publicly to by Marcela Dempsilio Lorenza, Agencillo and Del Pena Herbosa Natividad. No. National anthem, first play, instrumental only, then called Marcha Pilipina Magdalo. Hmm.
28 people were present as missionary leaders, some local government officials, and ordinary citizens. They may not have had fancy clothes or decoration, but their heart will full of pride and hope. They witnessed the first raising of the flag and heard the national anthems for the first time. For them, it was a once and lifetime moment, a dream finally coming true.
Attendees, about 28 people were represented, included revolutionaries, local leaders, and citizens. Simple but historical ceremony.
At the time, Spain had already agreed to give the Philippines to the US through a treaty, so the US did not recognize our independence. This was disappointing for the Filipino leaders, but they didn't give up. They continued to fight because true freedom doesn't need permission. It just needs courage.
Significance today. June 12 is now celebrated as Philippines Independence Day. It's to remind us the bravery and unity of Filipinos, a symbol of freedom and nation's pride. No friends.
It's not just a holiday. It's a reminder of who we are as the Filipinos.
Conclusion. The 1898 proclamation was the first major step towards Philippines independence. It showed the strength of the Filipino spirit. We continue to honor this legacy event every June 12.
So the proclamation of the Philippine independence was a huge turning point in our history. Even though challenge came after, the day showed the Filipino were ready to be free, to lead themselves, and to dream big as nation. Thought that this freedom is not given, it is claimed, fought for and honored.
Tayong mga nagkakatipon, nagsilagda sa lupa nito, ay pinahayag natin ngayon at pinasisinayan sa pangalan ng buong Pilipinas ang ating karapatang makapamuhay ng malaya at nagsasarili, hiwalay at kalag na kalag.
So this is the movie that our flag
At
was
ngayon,
declared
ang matapang
the Independence Day.
pinapagayway sa harap nitong kapulungan at nanunumpa naman tayong lahat ng
Very
buong
well.
daigdig na ito'y mamahalin at ipagtatanggol hanggang sa kauli-uli ang patak ng ating dugo.
This movie is the publicly raise our flag. That's